What happens when you eat a handful of almonds every day? This small, delicious nut can provide several important nutrients that support your overall health. Here are 5 health benefits of eating almonds regularly. 1. Supports heart health. Almonds are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can support cardiovascular health when they replace less healthy fats in your diet. 2. May help control blood sugar. Almonds are low in carbohydrates and contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients can help support better blood sugar control when included as part of a balanced diet. 3. Supports brain health. Almonds provide vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. These nutrients help support normal brain and nervous system function. 4. Supports healthy skin. Vitamin E in almonds acts as an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports healthy skin. 5. Strengthens bones. Almonds provide magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, minerals that contribute to maintaining healthy bones. So, adding a small handful of almonds to your daily diet can be a simple way to increase your intake of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals.